Well, the good news is we got some rain, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain. The better news is that it's 57 degrees. And so you just can't beat that. We're getting rid of a lot of this snow and ice that are around, except for these very hard chunks of snow that have been pushed up, and they're like rocks right now, kind of dirty white rocks. Here goes the rain that went through, and yes, there were a few rumbles of thunder last night. I heard them. Did you? It was about 3 o'clock in the morning here around Terre Haute. It's 57 degrees here in Terre Haute, 60 in Robinson, 58 in Linton. Casey has 57, Mattoon 56, Effingham 60. Again, the record high for this day here in Terre Haute is 62 degrees, so we didn't quite meet 62, and I don't think we will since we're getting later in the day. The sun sets at 5:45, and the sun is setting a little bit later. You might have started to notice that. And another thing, the sun beginning today started coming up a minute earlier. So we're beginning to lengthen our daylight hours, and that only will continue. And so we've kind of turned the corner for the darkness, but it still is dark a lot. Paris, 16-mile-per-hour breeze. Terre Haute, 13, pretty breezy out there. Robinson, 13. All this wind coming up out of the south, that's what's helping to contribute to the fact that we have a very mild temperature. Wind gusts at 21 here in Terre Haute, 26 in Casey, Mattoon 20, Olney 21, Vincennes 23, and Linton 33 degrees. Those are wind gusts, and so if the warmth didn't melt the snow, the wind is actually going to evaporate it. But in Billings, it's 9 degrees. So that gives us an indication that there is some colder air on the way, and there certainly is. And you can see it right here. See where this blue color is? We do have some rain across the region that's moving out. So let's take a look at the Storm Team Futurecast and see through tonight into most of the day tomorrow. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow. We're fine. But as we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, rain starts to move in. Again, it could be areas of heavy rain. And look at this. Here comes the cold front. So by later tomorrow night, we might even have to deal with a wintry mix. 48, partly cloudy, breezy and cool tonight. 58, afternoon rain developing tomorrow. Then tomorrow night, windy, colder, a wintry mix possible as the temperature drops to 33 degrees. And then the high on Sunday of only 33 degrees, again with kind of a wintry mix possible. Monday, 31, becoming partly cloudy. Tuesday, 33. Wednesday, 38 degrees. So the days of the 50s after tomorrow will be finished.